How to install your APLOS Clear drinking water filter kit. APLOS Clear is a space-saving, do-it-yourself solution for enhancing the quality of your drinking water. It incorporates a 2-in-1 compound filter cartridge. This filter efficiently removes sediments, sand, silt, rust, chlorine, unpleasant taste and odour, while also effectively reducing lead and organic matter from your tap water. Your APLOS Clear box includes an accessory kit, quality stainless steel faucet kit, operational manual, mounting bracket and the APLOS Clear compound filter. In your accessory kit, you will find 4 mounting screws, thread seal tape, 1/4-inch blue tubing, 2 quick release push fittings, 4 locking clips, 3-way valve with rubber gasket, 2 plastic service wrenches and a blade for cutting the tubing. The stainless steel faucet kit includes 1 stainless steel faucet, 2 rubber washers, 1 stainless steel capping and 1 locking nut. Installation tips. This is a quick release push fitting. In order to connect, push the 1/4-inch blue tubing into the fitting and lock with the clip. To remove the blue tubing, pull out the clip, push down the collet and pull the tubing simultaneously. APLOS Clear installation. Find a place under your sink to mount your plastic bracket, leaving enough space for the filter to hang underneath. You do not have to mount the bracket if your sink is too narrow or you are unable to drill holes. Remove the filter container from the cap and mount the cap on the plastic bracket. Twist the filter container anti-clockwise back into the cap until it locks into place and is secure. Next, turn off your cold water supply to your faucet. Measure the length of the blue tubing in accordance with the space needed under your sink. Use the blade provided. When cutting, make sure you cut straight and not at an angle, otherwise a leak might occur. Insert the rubber gasket into the 3-way valve. This step is very important to avoid leakage. Remove the nut attached to the valve and place on your blue tubing. Then attach the blue tubing to the 3-way valve by pushing it into the very end of the valve. Tighten the nut with a wrench. Do not over tighten as this could break the tubing and cause a leak. To ensure you have no leaks, you can take the optional step to add the thread seal tape around the 3-way valve. Wrap the tape around the thread side of the valve. Next, disconnect the cold water supply flexible hose under the sink. There may still be water in the hose, so have a towel or bowl to hand in case. Connect your 3-way valve to the cold water supply, then connect the original supply flexible hose to the 3-way valve. Again, you can use the thread seal tape here if you want to ensure there is no leakage. Use a wrench to tighten. Connect your 1/4-inch blue tubing to the supply side of the filter cap, ensuring you push the blue tubing into the filter fully, locking with the clip. Do the same on the filtered side of the cap, again ensuring you push the blue tubing into the filter cap fully and locking with the clip provided. Next, it is time to install the stainless steel faucet. Pick a location for your stainless steel faucet. Mark an area and drill a hole big enough for the piping to fit through. Once you have a hole drilled in your desired location, place down the rubber washer and metal capping. Next, insert the stainless steel faucet. Below the sink, connect the rubber washer and locking nut, twisting in place until the faucet is secured. Once the faucet is secured, connect the quick release push fitting. Place a clip at the faucet end to secure in place. Connect the 1/4-inch blue tubing to the quick release fitting and lock in place with the clip provided. You can now turn back on your cold water supply. Ensure you also turn on the tap on the 3-way valve. When you turn on the water supply, check if there are any leaks around the connections. Flush the filter for 5 minutes by running the new stainless steel faucet before using the filtered water. Turn off the tap for 5 minutes and check for any leaks or drips at the in and out ports of the filter housing. How to replace your APLOS Clear filter cartridge. Start by turning off the water at the 3-way valve. There is no need to turn off the supply water valve. Next, remove the filter container from the cap by twisting clockwise. Using the provided wrench, twist anti-clockwise until you can pull the filter freely from the container. Simply pull the container lid off the filter and replace with a new filter. Once you have your new filter inserted, twist clockwise until locked and tighten with the service wrench provided. Reconnect the filter container to the cap by twisting anti-clockwise until it is locked in place. You can now turn back on the water at the 3-way valve. Make sure to store away the plastic service wrench for future use. APLOS, Rethinking Water.